all that AI computations for you making a cat that wears a hat or whatever, like that's 20% of global electricity. And as AI becomes increasingly big, there's going to come a point where we're going to really have to start having the conversation of, is this worth the environmental impact? Right? And of course, the corporations are going to be like, yes, and they're going to make bigger and bigger data centers. For example, the energy usage has tripled from 2014 to 2023, and it's projected to be 20% of global electricity by 2030. Right. Now, I'm not saying that we shouldn't be using AI, because I use AI.
Yes.
AI is great. But I think all of these companies, including Microsoft, are starting to realize that it's no longer going to become tenable, right?
100%.
There needs to be an alternative way to do the computation that they are seeking.
I'll just make a brief note here, which is that every single one of the either frontier model builders or sort of hyperscaler cloud computing platforms, Google Cloud Product, AWS, they're all spending a ton of their capital on directly investing into power infrastructure.
Yeah. Because they know that that's going to be a bottleneck. Yeah.
Every single hyperscaler or frontier model company is investing, if not hundreds of millions, billions of dollars into partnerships with these mini nuclear reactor companies. They're literally returning on the big power facility that's just north of us in California, the nuclear one. Facebook has a little alcove there. So they all know the story.
Yeah.
Like it's not.
They see it. They see the writing on the wall.
It's not controversial for any of them.
Yeah. And on top of that, there's a bunch of these companies that are investing in alternative computing technology, right?
100%.
Like we were talking about Spintronics the other day.
Yes.
This is an analog computer. It's doing sort of the same type of deal. Not the same physics, but the same sense of let's go away from transistors and physical stuff, and let's try to find a completely different way to store data and manipulate data. Okay?